In the happy jungle of Sunnytail's forest lived a bouncy little rabbit named Rizo. Rizo was always jumping, laughing, and playing with his jungle friends. But he had one tiny problem. He hated good habits. Every morning his mum would shout, "Rizo, brush your teeth." But Rizo would say, "No, I'm too busy hopping." He never made his bed, never washed his hands before eating, and he tossed his toys all around the burrow like popcorn. One day, something changed. Rizo went to visit his friend Mina the monkey, but when he picked up her new ball with his dirty hands, suddenly, Mina shouted, "Ew, Rizo, your hands are yucky, you're spreading germs." All his friends stepped back. No one wants to play with a messy bunny. Rizo felt embarrassed and sat alone near the carrot patch, wiping a tear. That's when Grandma Bunny came hopping by. She said gently, "Good habits don't just keep you clean, Rizo. They make you feel proud, healthy, and loved." Rizo's big habit mission. From the next day, Rizo changed like magic. He brushed his teeth till they sparkled, washed hands before every meal, made his bed like a little gentleman, even helped Mum clean the house. His friends were amazed. "Wow, Rizo, you're shining like a star." Mina gave him a high five, and everyone called him Captain Clean and Clever. Moral of the story: good habits are tiny steps that lead to big happiness. Start small, brush clean, help, and be a superhero every day.